Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your Abn Amro card to Apple Pay. First, unlock your phone and locate the Abn Amro banking app. Once the app opens, sign into your account using your usual login method. After you are signed in, you will see the main dashboard of the app. Look through the menu and find the section called Payments. Tap on Payments to open it. This section shows different options related to sending and managing payments. Inside the Payments section, scroll through the list of options until you find Apple Pay. When you see the Apple Pay option, tap on it to continue. The app will now display the cards that are available in your account. Choose the Abn Amro card that you want to add to Apple Pay. Tap on the card to select it. After selecting the card, you will see an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Tap on Add to Apple Wallet. Your phone will now begin the process of adding the card to Apple Pay. If you are adding a debit card, the app may ask you to choose the device where the card will be used. For example, you may select your iPhone or an Apple Watch if you have one connected. Choose the device you want to use. Thanks for watching.